everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to do July's Birchbox unboxing. This is kind of going to be a standalone video. I did order a 3-month subscription from Birchbox, but I just never got around to filming the boxes that arrived for May and June. I was sent a discount code towards the very end of May. Maybe they had more boxes left over, so they sent out a discount code which was for 3 boxes for the price of 2. So I was suckered in yet again to take them up on their offer, and I did sign up for 3 months. So as I signed up so late in May, it was basically June by the time I'd received the May box, so there was no point filming a video for that one. And then the June box arrived just as I was moving house, so it wasn't the best time to try and film a video, and with me losing a bit of my equipment and things, I just did not get a chance to film that. So I'm filming July's box, but I think I am going to cancel it again. Having done a bit more research, my options are very limited as I thought they would be, but I think I am going to definitely cancel the Look Fantastic box because I have been disappointed with that recently, with repeats of things in each box, and I am going to cancel this Birchbox subscription as well because it hasn't improved at all, which leaves me with Glossy box or trying this new Makeup Only Please box, which is £24 and is a bit more pricey. But I think what I'm probably going to do is, if I don't sign up to Makeup Only Please this month, or Mop box as it's called, I'll definitely sign up to it next month to give that one a go, because that one looks really promising and it does look like they have taken influence from Box Charm, kind of based on the price and based on the sneak peeks that I've seen on Instagram. But I think they have revealed most of the first box, so it's not going to be too much of a surprise to me. So if I do continue to sign up to a few months, I will definitely be unsubscribing from their Instagram feed, because I do like the surprise element and don't really want to see the full contents of the box. I don't mind one product being released, but I don't really like all 5 or 6, however many it is, being released. Another thing that Mopbox appears to be doing is sending you a makeup brush every single month, which I really like the idea of, and it's a great way to build up your makeup brush collection. I have a handful of rather cheap brushes at the moment that I could do with upgrading. Anyway, on to this month's Birchbox, and it is really pretty packaging. However, I am slightly disappointed that it's come in the old style boxes with the lift up lid. I did much prefer the drawers that they have been sending recently, and I use them for storage. I'm not going to reuse this box because the size of them and the lift lids, I don't find them as practical as the drawer boxes. So it is a shame because it is a really pretty design. So inside we have the usual booklet you receive, and we also have a 25% off generator hostels. It's just code BIRCHBOX if anyone is interested in using that. So onto the box, and the first thing I see is a actually rather decent size sample for Birchbox. I never usually send things this big, and this is the What's In It For Me shower scrub. It says it is walnut shell to naturally exfoliate, sweet almond oil to rejuvenate, orange and jasmine flower to uplift. So that is that one on it. It does have a really strong scent because it's still sealed and I can smell the scent through it, and I think it is actually the walnut I can smell. Don't think I can smell much orange. No, I can definitely smell the sort of nuttiness to it. So I will give this a go. I don't know if I'm overly keen on the scent, so I will give this one try and see what it's like, because I think if that scent does stick around after the shower, I'm a bit sensitive to scent, so I don't know how this is going to go, but we'll give it a try and see how I get on. Next thing we have is a Manicada Beauty. It says step 3 perfect. Okay, so it's called Trifecta, and it says it is a 3-in-1 brow, eye and cheek, which is a really good idea. It is quite a nice brown shade. I think it might be a bit orangey to go in my brows, and I wouldn't apply it as a blusher with its own cheek. It might not be a bad bronzer. and might also be a nice eyeshadow, so we'll give that a go as one of those two things. Then we have some Beauty Pro Eye Therapy under eye masks, and they say they have collagen and green tea. I did receive some under eye masks in another subscription box recently, and I just didn't like the feel of them under my eyes. I don't know if I didn't quite put them on properly because they were tugging on my skin from the second I put them on, so I will give this a go to see if it was just the way I was handling it. And based on feeling through the packaging, these don't feel as large as the other ones did, because the other ones kind of covered my whole eye area, whereas these might feel like they just might sit directly under the eye. So I will give these a go because my under eye area is getting worse with dark circles and wrinkles and things like that, so I will try another at the moment. Then we have this Chlorine Floral Water Makeup Remover with Soothing Cornflower. Now this is the size of samples that I expect to see in Birchbox. So I'm not a massive fan of floral scents. I tend to like sort of fruity and fresh things. This doesn't actually have any scent. It smells slightly alcohol-y, so it's like hand sanitizer, but I can't say it smells floral at all. It does actually smell like hand sanitizer. I'll see what it's like because I'm coming to the end of the current makeup remover or eye makeup remover that I'm using, so I will see what it's like, but I don't really like the idea of using sort of something that smells like hand sanitizer on my face. The final product we have is a Brow Coat Waterproof Brow Gel. This looks like it's from the brand Lip Coat, which I received a lipstick sealer, I think it was, in Latest in Beauty a few months ago, which I didn't like because it kind of reminded me of nail varnish. But this is for your brows, so isn't going on my mouth, which is good. I don't actually have a clear brow gel at the moment, so I am looking forward to giving this a go because I don't really set my brows. I just use the Benefit Goof Proof in them and that's it. So this will be interesting to see if I notice much of a difference from wearing this and whether I can just keep on wearing the Goof Proof and nothing else, because that's what I do at the moment. The last brow gel that I had was actually a coloured one, and I felt that it made my brows really crispy feeling and not natural throughout the day, whereas the Goof Proof that I wear now, I've got the colour in them but my brows don't feel any different to me, so I will give it a go, but I don't hold up much hope for it. So that is the contents of the box. I am slightly disappointed with it, but also expected because it's Birchbox and that's what they do. But that has sealed it for me. I think I'm definitely going to cancel Birchbox yet again until no doubt they sucker me in another 6 months. And the annoying thing is, because I only ever stay subscribed for 3 months at a time, I never quite get to that VIP status to get 15% off in the shop. I just get 10% off, but 10% is better than nothing. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.